Hi there everyone again, Laura's visiting with me. We're making this headboard for Laura and we've decided that we're going to sand it and we're going to oil it. And we chose this side, right Laura?
Yes.
You like this side?
Because of the live edge.
Yeah. And we're going to oil it, sand it and oil it and smooth out the edges. And we're going to then seal it after it's done. This is the cambium of a tree. So if you imagine the tree to be round, it's the first slice underneath the bark. And she's got the first cut. Very rare piece, this. So this is going to be in her bedroom wall. We're going to put a cleat behind it. And it's going to look really smart. Are you excited?
I love it. I love the idea. And he was suggesting to get these hands to support it. They have molds of hands.
Yeah.
That we can install
In
so
brass.
that it's in brass
So-
or different materials that I have to
Yeah.
to support the piece. So I think it's gonna be stunning. I'm excited.
So watch up, give us the thumbs up, and let us know, and we'll give you pictures of the finished article once it's done.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.